Did Netflix kick you out on Google TV and now it won't let you log back in? Showing the error. Something went wrong, please sign in using your TV remote. This usually happens because of corrupted login data, a glitch in the Netflix app, or sometimes a temporary server issue. Here are the 3 quick tips to get back in. Solution 1. Clear Netflix cache and data. Go to your Google TV home menu. Now use the remote to navigate to the settings icon. Open it. Go to apps. Now look for Netflix and find it from here. Once inside, look for the clear cache option. Select it and then confirm your choice. Check if that fixes the problem. If not, you can select clear data and confirm your choice. This will completely reset your Netflix so you will be logged out. Since you're already logged out, it shouldn't be a problem for you. Just log in with your password again. Solution 2. Reinstall Netflix. Go to your home menu, then navigate to the apps section. Select Google Play Store from here. Now go to the search bar. Search for Netflix using the on-screen keyboard. Select Netflix from the search results. Now uninstall the app from here and reinstall it. After that, restart your TV and sign back in. A clean install almost always fixes the something went wrong error. For most people, the issue will be gone by now. But if it's still happening, contact Netflix support with your PC or smartphone and provide them your information. This is likely an error from Netflix's end, so they will help you out. Anyway, if this video helps you out, then don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Google TV fixes and tricks. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.